TK again. Yep, it is fine motor lesson again. So on Tuesday, do you remember our fringe cutting lesson and you did such a wonderful job? Yes, today we're going to do another cutting lesson. Okay, today we're going to be cutting straight lines and curved lines. So what you will need again, pair of scissors, a marker, and 2 more of these half sheets. Okay, so go ahead and go gather and come on back. All right, okay. So first we are going to draw our straight lines. Go ahead and take a piece of paper, put it over there. We're gonna work with one first. Okay, this time, how about we cut the whole piece off, okay? So I'm gonna start at the very top and go straight down. Let's do, how about 5 of these straight lines? Ready? 1 at the top, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look I still have a lot of room left, okay? That's because now we're going to turn it around. Now it's facing this way and we're going to make longer lines for us to cut. Actually, it might be easier if we go like this, okay? We're gonna start at the top and we're gonna go all the way down to the bottom. Are you ready? I don't know, how many do you think you can fit in there? 5, 6, 7? 7's my favorite number. I'm gonna see if I can fit 7 long lines on this piece of paper. Here we go. Go ahead. You can draw yours. 1, 2. Just make sure the lines don't touch each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 lines, but guess what? I have room for 1 more. Should I make 1 more? You think so? Yeah? I think so. Thanks. I agree with you. I'm gonna make 1 more line. Now I have 8 lines. Okay, make sure to cap that marker. Listen for the click. Just like the glue stick, okay? Make sure they always click close or else our marker will dry up and we won't be able to use it anymore. Okay, show me how you hold your scissors. Go ahead, you do it before I do it. Thumbs up, fingers on the bottom, scissors pointing away. You got it. Okay, so I'm gonna hold my scissors, fingers on the bottom, thumbs on the top, snipping away from me. Okay, so let's cut the small pieces first. I'm gonna turn it so it's facing this way, okay? It's easy. Use your helping hand to turn. Would it be harder to cut this way, like this? It would be. So why don't you turn it like that? You know what? I'm gonna move this out of the way just a little bit here. I'm just gonna let it drop to the floor, okay? So pointing away from me, snip, 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 snip. There it goes. Snip, 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 snip. Are your lines straight? Are you cutting it nice and straight? Small snips. There you go. Perfect. And 1 more. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to cut my long lines. Did you finish your short lines too? You want to start together with the long lines? Yeah? Okay. Make sure your holding hand, your helping hand is holding it. Okay. And okay. And then cut and push out. And when this gets too low, take your hand and move it up. Then it has more control. Here we go. Here we go. Drop. Okay. Take your hand, move it down to start. When it gets sort of to the middle, move your hand up. There we go. Okay. Move my hand down. And let's see how fast I can do it. But making sure I have control. Snippy, 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 snippy. Snippy, 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 snippy. Boop. Move my hand. Are you moving your hand? Good. Move it down. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Move it up. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Hold it. Move your hand down. And let's start. Do, do, do. Ooh, it gets trickier when it gets thinner, so make sure you don't cut your fingers, okay? That's why little snips will help us. Okay, now this is tricky. All right, so I'm gonna hold the top right here. Do you see that? I'm gonna hold the top, then I'm gonna cut, cut, cut. When it gets close, I'm gonna move my hand just a little bit. Cut, cut. Move my hand a little bit, cut, cut, cut. Move a little bit more. There we go, and the last bit. Done. Look at all my beautiful long lines. All right, okay, so how did you do with cutting straight lines? Did you do well? Good, because we're moving on. Now it's going to be a little bit more difficult. We are going to be cutting curves, okay? Curved lines. Oh, that fell. So I'm gonna move this back. Are you ready? Take this piece of paper and we're going to make like rainbows or curves or C's, sort of C's. Okay, I'm gonna go from one side, kind of like from the middle, so I can put a dot at the middle and then another dot at the middle, just like that. And then I'm going to curve from one side to the other, all right? So, all right, I'm gonna turn it this way because it's easier for me to do it. Ready? Curve to my dot. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna make another dot and another dot underneath it, and guess what I'm gonna do? Same thing. Ready? Did you make your two dots? Okay, start on this side, the left side, and curve. Boom, to the other dot. Yeah, it's starting to look like a rainbow. Another dot, another dot. Are you ready? And curve. There we go. One more dot at the corner, and curve. Okay, so now I'm gonna move onto the bottom edge of the paper. I'm going to put a dot right there, okay, and a dot right about there. Maybe about like the size, the length of your pinky, okay? And I'm going to curve, 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 curve. Boom. You think we can fit one more? I think we can fit one more. How about let's make one more curve? How about right there and right there. It's just gonna be a small one, okay? Ready? And a curve. Oh, pretty. Okay, what are we listening for? The click. Let me hear it. Good job. Okay, we're gonna put that there. Time to put our scissors on. Bottom, top, thumb at the top, facing away. Okay. Okay, now this time, this helping hand is really important because your scissors will always point straight, but the paper is curved, right? Our line is curved, so it's up to this helping hand to turn the paper. So I'm gonna turn myself around a little so you can see. Watch, I'm gonna curve, and now if I keep it straight, it's gonna go this way. So look at what my helping hand does. It's gonna turn the paper. Do you see that? It's gonna turn the paper, small snip. I can move my hand, turn the paper, small snip, turn the paper, small snip. Okay, there you go. Now you try it. Don't take big cuts, all right? Small cuts. Start at the bottom, small cut, small cut, small cut. Move your helping hand, turn the paper, small cut, small cut, small cut. Move your hand, turn the paper, small cut, small cut, small cut. Move your hand, turn the paper, small cut, small cut, small cut. Last time, small cut, small cut. We're done. So for Miss Boo, I like to cut maybe with this curve right here, maybe 3 small cuts, and then I move my helping hand. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Move my helping hand. 1, and make sure it's turning it. 2, 3. Move. 1, 2, 3. Move. 1, 2, 3. Move. 1, 2, 3. Move. There you go. All right. How are you doing? Are you keeping up with me? Yeah? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Move your hand and turn it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cut, cut, cut. Move your hand. Cut, cut, cut. And there you go. We only have 1, 2 more curves left. You're doing an awesome job. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Move your hand, turn it. Turn, turn, turn. Move, turn, turn, turn. Move, turn, turn, turn. Small cuts, move, turn, turn, turn. And last move, turn, turn, turn. Done. Ooh, 1 more. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Ooh, it's getting pretty narrow right here. So I'm gonna hold to the top just like we did when we cut those lines and we came to the very end and it was very narrow and I couldn't hold to the side. It's okay, I'm gonna hold to the top, okay? I'm gonna cut, cut, cut. Move my hand. Cut, cut, cut. Move my hand. Cut, cut, cut. Move my hand. And there we go. We did it. You made curves and you made lines today. All right. And if you want, maybe you can get scratch paper and you can try cutting longer lines and maybe curvier curves. Okay? All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.